Now we are going to see exercise 2.8 sums. First one, find the sum of first n terms of the GP. First sum 5, minus 3, 9 by 5, minus 27 by 25, and so on. What they asked to find sum of first n terms, that is Sn. So the sequence is in GP. Okay, so write the sequence as it is 5, minus 3, 9 by 5, minus 27 by 25, and so on. It is in GP. So A is nothing but first term A equal to 5, R equal to T2 by T1, that is minus 3 by 5. So here you have to check R value, that is less than 1. So R is less than 1. Now what is Sn? Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n by R 1 minus R if R is less than 1. Okay, so now we are going to find Sn only. A is 5 into 1 minus R is minus 3 by 5 whole power n divided by 1 minus R. Now 1 minus of minus 3 by 5. Minus into minus will get plus 3 by 5. Write the numerator as it is 5 into 1 minus minus 3 by 5 whole power n. So 1 plus 3 by 5. Now here take LCM. Multiply and divide by 5, you get 5 plus 3 by 5. 5 plus 3 by 5, now you get 8 by 5. It goes to the numerator, now it will take reciprocal. So we get 5 into 1 minus minus 3 by 5 whole power n into 5 by 8. So 5 into 5 you get 25. 25 by 8 into 1 minus minus 3 by 5 whole power n. So Sn, sum of n terms equal to 25 by 8 into 1 minus minus 3 by 5 whole power n. Do the second sum as homework as you do in the first one, the same only. Okay, so next move on to the second sum. Find sum of first 6 terms of the GP. So sum of 6 terms now you are going to find S6, the sequence is in GP. So they given 5, 12, 45 and so on is in GP. So A equal to, that is first term, A equal to 5, R equal to T2 by T1, that is 15 by 5. You will get 5 1s are 5 3s are 3, which is greater than 1. So number of terms they given in the sum is n equal to 6. So R is greater than 1. What is the formula Sn? Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So n value is 6. So S6 equal to A of 5, R power n of 3 power 6 minus 1 by R minus 1 is 3 minus 1. So 5 into, find 3 power 6. So multiply 3 by 6 times. Okay. So you get 721, 9 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 not 2. So 5 into 729 minus 1 you get 728. Cancel this 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 12. Sorry, so 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. You will get 364 into 5. If you multiply you get 1820. So sum of S6 equal to 1820. So did you understand this? Move on to the third sum. Find the first term of the GP whose common ratio is 5 and whose sum to first 6 terms is 46,872. So they given common ratio, that is R value. R value is 5 and then they given sum to first 6 terms, that is S6. So S6 is 46,872. What we are going to find now? A value, that is first term we are going to find. So given in the GP common ratio is, they given us 5, R equal to 5 which is greater than 1. So sum to first 6 terms they given us 46,872. S6 equal to 46,872. Here R is greater than 1 now. Sn formula will be A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So write the formula equal to 46,872. A into R is 5 power 6. N is 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 now. 5 minus 1 equal to 46,872. 5 minus 1 will get 4. 5 power 6 multiply 5 by 6 times and will get 15,625 minus 1 by 4. So subtract these two will get 15,624. Send this 4 to the RHS now it will multiply into 4. So A into 15,624 equal to 46,872 into 4. Send this term to the right hand side will get
46,872 into 4 divided by 15,624. If you cancel this, if you simplify this now, you will get A value as 12. Therefore, the first term of the GP A equal to 12. So, did you understand this? Move on to the fourth one. Find the sum to infinity of second sum. 21 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus and so on. Sum to infinity. So in GP when we have sum to infinity, you know, so S infinity, what is the formula? A by 1 minus R. So write the series first. 21 plus 14 plus 28 by 3 plus and so on. First term, that is A equal to 21. T2 by T1 now 14 divided by 21 equal to, cancel this 7 2s are 7 3s are, you get 2 by 3. Here you have to check infinity terms now. We have to check R value lies between minus 1 and 1 or not. So 2 by 3 lies between minus 1 and 1, you know. So sum to infinity, S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. So S infinity equal to A value is 21 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. Here take LCM, multiply and divide with 3, you will get 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 minus 2 by 3, now you will get 1 by 3. If you take reciprocal, you will get 21 into 3 by 1. 21 into 3 will get 63. So sum of infinity, S infinity equal to 63. So do the first sum as homework. Okay. Next move on to fifth Roman. If the first term of an infinite GP. So they given first term of an infinite GP as 8. That is, sorry, 8. That is A value is 8 and its sum to infinity, that is S infinity equal to 32 by 3. Find the common ratio. We are going to find the common ratio. So write the given first term of an infinite GP equal to 8, that is A equal to 8. Sum to infinity they given 32 by 3, that is S infinity equal to 32 by 3. What is the formula for this? A by 1 minus R. So substitute in them. A by 1 minus R equal to 32 by 3. A value is 8 divided by 1 minus R equal to 32 by 3. Do the cross multiply. 3 into 8 equal to 32 into 1 minus R. Send the 32 to the left hand side. 3 into 8 by 32 equal to 1 minus R. 8 1s are 8 4s are. So I get 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equal to 1 minus R. So R is negative, no? So send this side. It will be positive 1. Send this 3 by 4 that side. Now you will get minus 3 by 4. Here also take LCM and multiply and divide with 4. You will get 4 minus 3 divided by 4. 4 minus 3 divided by 4, now you get 1 by 4. So R equal to 1 by 4. Common ratio is 1 by 4. So next, sixth one. Find the sum to n terms of the series. First sum 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus and so on to n terms. So we are going to find sum of this series to n terms. Okay. So write the question 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus and so on to n terms. So in these terms we are going to take 4 as common. So if you take 4 now 0.4 you can written as 4 into 0.1. Here this term you can written as 4 into 0.11. Like that, you know. So if you take 4 as common now you will get 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 plus and so on to n terms. So next we are going to multiply and divide by 9. So if you multiply and divide by 9, the value does not change. Okay. So divide by 9 right outside. Multiply by 9, you have to multiply each term in this brackets. Okay. So write 4 by 9. If you multiply 0.1 into 9, you get 0.9 plus 0.11 into 9 now 0.99. 0.111 into 9 now 0.999 and plus and so on to n terms. Okay. So write 4 by 9. 0.9 it is in decimal. So I am going to convert as fraction. So 0.9 can be written as 9 by 10 plus 0.99 can be written as 99 by 100 plus 0.999 can be written as 999 by 1000 and plus so on to n terms. Here 9 I am going to write it as 10 minus 1. 99, 100 minus 1. 999 now 1000 minus 1. Okay. So next step we are going to separate and write this this term. What you got? 10 minus 1 by 10, no? So here 10 minus 1 by 10, I am going to write like this. 10 by 10 minus 1 by 10. So 10 will get cancelled, will get 1 there. So 1 minus 1 by 10. So 10 minus 1 by 10 I can written like this. 1 minus 1 by 10. That only I wrote. 1 minus 1 by 10 plus 100 minus 1 by 100. Now 100 by 100 minus 1 by 100. There also 100 will get cancelled, will get 1 there. So 1 minus 1 by 100 plus here also you can write 1000 divided by 1000 minus 1 by 1000. 1000 will get cancelled, will get 1 minus 1 by 1000 plus and so on to n terms. So did you understand this? Next, here 1, 1, 1 and so on, you know. So you can take it out. 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on to how many terms? N terms. Okay. Next, see this minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 100 minus 1 by 1000. In these terms, I am going to take minus as common. If I take minus, put in the brackets 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000 plus and so on to n terms. Why you are changing and writing like this? Now generally you can find here a geometry series. Then you can apply the formula easily. Now we are converting the given series into the GP. Okay. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on n terms now. If here R is 1, you know. So first term in this A equal to 1 and R is T2 by T1. Now you get 1 by 1 only. So R equal to 1. What is the SN formula? NA. NA 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 is 1. So you get N into 1. Okay. Minus, right, 1 by 10. 1 by 100 I am written as 1 by 10 square plus 1 by 1000 I am written as 1 by 10 cube plus and so on to n terms. So definitely this will form an GP. Am I right? So first term is A equal to 1 by 10 and R will be also 1 by 10. That is T2 by T1. If you find that, you get 1 by 10. So which is less than 1. So less than R is less than 1. Now what is SN formula? SN equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. So what will you get here? SN 1 by 10. That is A value 1 by 10 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 10. That only I wrote here. So write 4 by 9 as it is. N into 1 I will get 10 minus A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R, you know, formula. So A equal to 1 by 10, R is also 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 10. So here I am going to take LCM, multiply and divide with 10, you will get 10 minus 1 by 10. So 10 minus 1 by 10, now you get 9 by 10. I write directly here 9 by 10. Okay. Next write 4 by 9, n minus 1 by 10. This 9 by 10 goes to the numerator. You take reciprocal 10 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n. Okay. Here 10 will get cancelled. Write 4 by n into n minus 1 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n. Now I am going to take this 4 by 9 to the inner brackets. Okay. So multiply this. So 4n by 9 minus 4 ones are 4, 9 nines are 81 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n. Therefore 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus and so on to n terms equal to 4 by 9 n minus 4 by 81 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n.